You're listening to the unstoppable Chop Shop Records. Yeah, pimpin'. It's your boy Nick Fury. Yeah. Check it out. Oh, the people wanted something different years ago. I was that cat many feared would blow. It was like if we could hold this brother down for like 5 more years, he'd run away in tears. Nah, nigga, I'm still here. I'm still shining. Me still blinging like a diamond. Me still next level with this. Me still grinding. Still repping the land. Still repping the streets. Still we turn out the underground with these beats. Critics analyze this what we cooking for y'all. We relieve stress like Dana Owens unhooking the bra. I'm like Eagle when them niggas struggle for Paul. Oh, yeah,
plays
yes,
this game
nigga,
so cold.
you can tell every time that we spit it, we
so cold.
Chop shops, this shit, just admit it, we
so cold.
When we done with this game, just know we did it.
So cold.
Yeah,
plays this game
nigga,
so cold.
Maybe the game is looking for me. Through the forests and the trees and the concrete jungle for MCs. He like, where do I go next? See, cause most of these wannabe G's I'm finding really need some Kotex, really need some help, some guidance, some type of focus. Hip-hop got a plague, these clown niggas is locusts. Let's get your mind right, get some hindsight. Take your ass back to the lab and get your rhymes tight. Grip the mic right and find you some limelight. The MC's MC, that's what I rhyme like. So flavorful when I spit it for all my niggas, right?
Plays this game
nigga,
so cold.
You can tell every time that we spit it, we
so cold.
Chop shops, this shit, just admit it, we
so cold.
When we done with this game, just know we did it.
So cold.
Yeah,
plays this game
nigga,
so cold.
Maybe the game is looking for the dumbest niggas that it can find, so they can fuck them out of every last dime. It makes sense, don't it? I bet my mortgage, my car note, and my little sister's rent on it. It's like a jungle sometimes. Makes me wonder how y'all hate on us, but y'all love them whack motherfuckers. We hit the A&R like, yo, we the shit, but they giving record deals to crackheads. Ain't that a bitch?